Let's learn how do we find 174 divided by 2 using the long division method. See that 1 is less than 2, so let's consider the number 17. We know that 2 times 8 is equal to 16. Subtract, we get 1. Now this 1 is less than 2. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 4 here. And we know that 2 times 7 is equal to 14. Subtract, we get 0. As we get the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 174 divided by 2 is equal to 87. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.